Alright, so part 2. The short leg is always opposite to 30. So wherever 30 is, right down from there is the short side. And same for 60. Right across, medium. So that's how you know if it's going to be short or if it's going to be medium. Alright, let's move on to the next problem. So I'm going to call this side M and this side H. Now remember your formula. Medium side equals square root of 3 times the shorter side. Okay? So sometimes they're not going to give you the shorter side. They're actually going to give us the medium side right here because it's across from 60. So this is actually the shorter side. This is the hypotenuse and this is the medium side. So when they do that, it's going to be a little trickier. So side M equals, the medium side equals the square root of 3 times S. Okay? So that's the formula right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 5, which is the medium side, right there. 5 equals side M and times the square root of 3, because side M is the small side. So that would be 5 times side M times the square root of 3. Then we would divide by square root of 3, divide by square root of 3, and you can never have a square root on the bottom of a fraction, ever. So you're going to multiply by square root of 3 on the bottom and multiply by square root of 3 on the top. So that's going to, when you multiply that and that, 5 and square root of 3, that's going to be 5 times square root of 3, since you don't do 5 times square root of 3, which is square root of 15. Don't do that. It's 5 square root of 3 over 3. Anytime you have a square root on the bottom, like with the 3, you always multiply it, and that always just cancels it out, and it goes back to its number, original, normal, non-square root number. So that would be 3. So the answer would be 5 square root of 3 over 3. If there's the whole picture. And step 2. That was step 1 of this problem, because right now you just found the shorter side. Did you find the hypotenuse? No, just the shorter side. Okay? You always need to find the shorter side to figure out the hypotenuse. We just figured out shorter side. Alright, so to find the hypotenuse, the formula is hypotenuse equals 2 times the shorter side. Now, so that's going to equal hypotenuse times 2 times the shorter side, which was 5 square root of 3 over 3, and that's going to equal 10 square root of 3 over 3. All you're doing is multiplying the 2 and the 5. 10 square root of 3 over 3. You don't do anything just because there's 2 3's right there. Just leave it the same, because one's a square root and one's not. Alright, basically what you're doing for both of these different triangles is just memorizing the formula. Just know what to do when they give you a medium side or when they give you a short side, and how you're going to find the hypotenuse just by using these formulas. Alright? Okay, I hope that helped.